Hi, I'm Tony Van Ash. I own They Poop, I Scoop, an animal waste removal service. We pick up and remove dog poop from the yards of people who either don't have the time, the physical ability, or just don't want to do so themselves. Our target market is pet owners who are time crunched, business professionals who are primarily millennials, and customers who are physically no longer able to do the work for themselves, like the now aging baby boomers. Revenue is generated by service feed, and since the tools to do this work are so simple, the service is nearly 100% profit. Expanding this business requires very low capital and has a high ROI in a relatively short time. We differentiate from other services by using an assigned removal specialist who builds a relationship with our customer and their pets, as well as by offering a subscription-based service, weekly or biweekly, or single visit, spring cleaning, or special occasion service. We'll sustain our advantage by offering a tailored a la carte service such as dog walking or bathing service, and to come litter box cleaning and goose poop removal, along with more products that are still in development.